Hello, my name is Ladocsi, and I'm a board-certified plastic surgeon. I've been working at Richmond Plastic Surgeons for about 20 years. One of the most rewarding things about being a plastic surgeon is the opportunity to help people transform their lives. It's absolutely wonderful when surgical changes in people's bodies can lead to a greater sense of self-confidence, self-esteem, and self-identity. We're here today with Ashley, who about a year and a half ago had a breast reduction and extended abdominoplasty.
So because my breasts were so big that they were hurting my back, and
Right.
it was a back issue, which is how the insurance got involved to covering that part of
Sure,
the surgery. And then we moved on to it would be out of proportion not to have this done at the same time as the breast reduction. So
Okay.
that's how I ended up with both. For me, I go to Ashcake Family Physicians. Dr. Pamela Ratchford suggested you. Actually, she only suggested you, so kudos to her. And when I came here, I actually fell in love with the practice. I really wasn't scared about it. It was explained really well, and I knew all the cuts and stuff that you would make because you had showed me, and after I got the good juice, I was good to go.
Good. How many days were you in the hospital?
I was not in the hospital. I was able to go home as soon as I got out of recovery. So I just went straight home, and that was really nice, actually, just to be able to go home.
How long were you out of work?
So I took off 15 days-ish. That would be including weekends. And I probably could have went back a little bit sooner than that, but I just chose not to.
And did you have drains and a binder?
So I had 2 drains, one on each side, and I did have the binder, which I wore for a really long time.
So now that you have had about 2 years since your operation, what's your bra size now?
So all bras are not the same. So I range from a 42D to a 42 double D, depending on the underwear and all brand or whatever. So I went from a H-ish down to a D, basically.
That's great. And how about your waist size?
So I started out in a size 20-ish, probably maybe 22. And I'm actually in 8s now, so
That's great.
between 8 and 10. I tell anyone who will listen, or who is even considering any kind of surgery, that they need to come to you. Actually, I throw you out there quite often, just because it is if you have self-esteem issues and you have lost weight, it makes a big, huge difference to somebody to make sure that they look the way that they want to look on the inside and the outside, to make it match. And that's what it did for me. So I had all this down here that I knew wasn't going anywhere because of the C-section or whatever the reason might be. So it was easier to fix me on the outside, and I was able to fix me on the inside.